Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Daisy. Today I'm super excited to share something amazing. I just received a powerful new tool that's about to transform the way I create. It's the Monport Mega, a 70-watt CO2 laser engraver machine. In this video, I'll walk you through the unboxing, assembly, setup, and of course, our very first test. Let's dive in and see what this machine can do. The Monport Mega comes super well protected in a huge wooden crate. But to my surprise, it was very easy to open. When I opened it, I found the instruction manual and all the necessary parts for operation perfectly organized. That's when I realized something important. I was going to need help getting the machine out of the box. It's big and sturdy, so I also needed a wide and stable table. Of course, I got to work and built my own custom-made wooden table designed specially for this machine. And here it is, all set up. Something I love is that there's really no complicated assembly. You just need to place the included parts in their proper position and fill the water tank, which is located at the back. In a moment, I'll show you that step by step, so stay with me. Inside the machine, you'll find several parts and essential tools for its operation. The air hose, connectors, antifreeze liquid, and even materials to start testing right away. Acrylic, cardstock, craft wood, balsa wood, clear acrylic, and more. A great detail that I really appreciate. And here it is again, the Monport Mega CO2 Laser Engraver Machine. Elegant, robust, and with an impressive presence. Here we can also see the built-in camera, which gives us a live preview to ensure everything is perfectly aligned before engraving. While I get everything ready, I want to share some interesting details I noticed about this machine. One of them is that it allows batch engraving and also works on curved surfaces, offering high precision and great efficiency. This helps reduce working time while maintaining spectacular results. Power is another one of its strengths. It can cut up to 25 millimeters thick wood or acrylic, which is approximately 40% more than other similar machines. Also, thanks to its large work area, we can create big projects without limitations. The air duct system also impressed me. It works efficiently to remove smoke while engraving, keeping the area clean thanks to its powerful suction. And something I really loved. If we use the Monport software, we have access to the preset material parameters. With just one click, we can select the ideal settings for common materials and preview the results before engraving. This saves a lot of time and avoids endless testings. Of course, safety is a top priority. If a flame is detected during the process, the machine automatically shuts it off, giving you peace of mind while working. Now that we've unpacked it and you've seen it in detail, let's move on to filling the water tank, which is essential for the machine's cooling system. Let's remove these two screws using one of the tools that come with the machine. Then we carefully remove the cover to avoid damaging any parts. Next, we remove the protective foam inside. Now we're going to fill the tank with a mixture of water and antifreeze, according to the ratio recommended for your region. The instruction manual includes a table with the exact quantities. I am preparing the mix based on my area. 910 milliliters of water and 490 millimeters of antifreeze. I live in North Texas. Remember, these quantities may vary depending on where you live, so it's important to check the manual's chart. After filling the tank, we place the back cover again, plug in the machine and turn it on. You should hear the sound of water circulating inside the glass tube. If you don't hear it, that means the water isn't flowing properly and you'll need to fix it. It's very important not to use the machine if the water isn't circulating, as this could damage it or cause an accident. Once you confirm that the water is flowing correctly, we'll connect the air hose. Now I'm placing the panels and the honeycomb working area inside the laser machine. And with that, everything is ready to begin testing. With this machine, you can use either the Monport software, Design, or LightBurn, whichever best fits your needs. It's super easy to connect the machine to the Monport software, whether by USB or Wi-Fi. Once you download it and install the program, you just open it and connect your machine to start using it immediately. One of the advantages of using Monport's software is that it already includes preset engraving parameters for various materials. Very convenient. You can also create simple designs using its built-in shapes, lines, and text tools, and even do batch engravings, multiple items at once. I'll show you how to do that later. For this first test, I'll use LightBurn, which I normally use with my laser machines. With this software, you need to test a little to find the ideal parameters depending on the material. Later, I'll also show you how to engrave using Monport's software, Design. To connect the machine to this software, go to the devices. I already have mine installed, but I'll show you how to set it up. It's super easy. Click on Create manually, then choose Garble, then USB, and rename it Mega or whatever name you prefer. Change the dimensions as Monport recommends, 700 millimeters by 350 millimeters. Click Next. Then select the laser origin as rear left, then click Finish. And the machine is now installed. Let's start with the first test. I'll do an engraving on this 1/2 inch thick wooden board. Place it on the work area, go to the computer and import your design. Click the icon, open the folder where your design is saved, select it and open it. My design is in SVG format. You can also use PNG designs. There are 2 layers, but I'll separate and arrange them in a single line to fit along the wooden board. Select the design, go to Cut and Layers, and set it to Fill. Set speed to 200 and power to 50%. Select the design again and click Frame to make sure it fits within the material. If it's aligned correctly, press Start to begin engraving. And here it goes. The engraving is coming out very well. It's deep, beautiful, and well defined. Here it is already engraved. Look how pretty it turned out. I'll show you up close so you can see the depth. It's perfect. Just like this, we can create a wide variety of engraved items with this quality. Now I'll do an engraving on a large cutting board. This one measures 13 by 19 inches and 1 inch thick. I'm not going to remove the honeycomb panel, but if it were thicker, I would. Now I'm going back to the computer, delete the first design and upload the new one. This one is themed for Father's Day. I'll size it to 15 inches wide by 8.2 inches tall, nearly covering the entire board. Now select the design, go to Cuts and Layers, ensure it sets to Fill. For engraving, if it were a cut, choose Line, and set speed to 250 and power to 50. With everything ready, press Frame. Next, I'm going to click on this screen icon to preview and also to see the engraving time. It says it'll take 54 minutes since it's a detailed and deep engraving. Now press Start. And here we have our second laser engraving project. a large cutting board with a special Father's Day design. I love how it turned out, deep, high quality, and detailed. If you notice any smoke shadow around the engraving, you can easily clean it with a magic eraser sponge. Though in most cases, the finish is already clean. After cleaning, you can apply cutting board oil to highlight the engraving and give it a more professional look. I used mineral oil and it turned out beautiful. Now I'll show you how to engrave and cut clear acrylic easily using Monport's M-Design software. I already placed the clear acrylic on the honeycomb base. Let's import the PNG design. SVG also works. Size it as needed and position it using the integrated camera for accuracy. Select the material type, clear acrylic, and the software gives us recommended parameters automatically. This saves a lot of time, especially for beginners or fast, consistent results. This design will be engraved, and the rectangle I added will be cut. In the layer setting, choose clear acrylic. Set the power to 75, speed to 10, and do 2 passes. These last parameters are for the cut only. When ready, click Go, and here it is, engraving on clear acrylic. I added the name for personalization. The Monport Mega is doing it beautifully. Not all laser machines can engrave or cut clear acrylic. Many can't detect it properly, but this one does it with an ease and precision. The engraving is deep and defined. It may look powdery at first, but just wipe it with a damp cloth and it's perfect. Look how beautiful it is. Now we'll place it on this LED light base and voila! A unique, personalized gift with a professional finish, made easily using the M-Design preset settings. Still using M-Design, let's now engrave stainless steel using Monport's black metal laser spray. Stay tuned because I'll be doing a giveaway in collaboration with Monport, giving away 60 bottles of this spray to my audience with laser machines. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out. Clean the stainless steel item, spray a light even layer, let it dry for a few minutes, and then engrave. Once done, just wash or wipe it clean, and the design stayed marked in deep black, giving it a unique and professional look. Another huge advantage of this machine is batch engraving, perfect for saving time with multiple items. Let me show you a quick example using M-Design. I engraved 4 little wooden boards that I was about to throw away, but with a nice laser design, I turned them into home decor pieces. Nothing like giving new life to what we thought was trash. Place the design on one item, rotate or resize it if needed, select it, press the stamp icon, and a window will pop up. Click on Fill, and it will apply the design to all items automatically. Then you can go ahead and engrave. Unfortunately, I didn't record the engraving process, but here they are. 4 personalized wooden boards. They turned out beautiful. I was going to toss them, but look, they are gorgeous. You can leave them as is or finish decorating with jute twine or wood beads. And that's it for this first test of the Monport Mega. This machine is truly powerful, large, ideal for big projects and also for batch engraving. It can do deep engravings, even on clear acrylic, which not many machines can do. Plus, it's very safe. The water cooling system keeps it in great condition and it can extinguish flames automatically if one appears. That gives me peace of mind when working. Honestly, I am fascinated with it and excited for all we'll create together. In my next video, I'll show you how to cut different materials so you can see its full potential in action. Remember, I left the direct link to the machine below in the video description in case you want to learn more or grab a special offer. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and stay tuned because very soon I'll launch an exclusive giveaway in collaboration with Monport, where I'll be giving away 60 bottles of black laser metal spray, ideal for metal engraving. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.